Assalamu alaikum. Let's start the Unity project.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Kindly select one of the following languages.
This is the main menu of my project. Basically, I implemented 3 Turing machines. One is Palindrome Turing machine and the other 2 Turing machines are for 2 different specific languages. If I click at the Palindrome button, this scene will be loaded. The current state, next state and operation will be displayed here. This is the input field. This input field can only take 0 and 1 as input because it is restricted. Other strings, symbols or alphabets cannot be taken as input. This is a reset button. This reset button can reload this scene again, and this is the menu button. If I click at the menu button, I will go back to the main menu. So before we see how this Turing machine works, I would like to tell you what is a Palindrome Turing machine. So I designed a Turing machine that recognizes palindrome involving only the string 0 and 1. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forwards as it does backwards. So I am going to enter a string, let's suppose 1010, and see what happens.
String rejected.
The string
Better
is
luck
rejected.
next time.
And you can see the current state, next state and operation as I told you earlier. Resetting the scene. Now I am going to enter another string, let's suppose 101, and see what happens.
String accepted. Congratulations.
Going back to the main menu.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Kindly select one of the
We will see
following
the other 2
languages.
languages in next videos. Thank you.